In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change candle color in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your chart is easier to read and tailored to your style. First, open your chart on Tradingview. To access the settings, you have two quick options. You can right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Settings from the menu that appears. Or simply click the small gear icon located in the top right corner of the chart area. Both take you to the same place. Inside the Settings window, look to the left-hand side and select the Symbol tab. This is where Tradingview keeps all the appearance controls for your candles, including colors for the bodies, borders, and wicks. As you make changes here, the chart updates in real time behind the window, so you can immediately see how each choice affects visibility. Let's start with the candle body colors. You'll see two color boxes. One for bullish or up candles, and one for bearish or down candles. The bullish color fills the body when price closes higher than it opened, while the bearish color fills the body when price closes lower. Choose colors that are easy to distinguish at a glance. Many traders go with green for up and red for down, but you can pick any combination that gives strong contrast against your chart background. If a transparency slider is available, avoid making bodies too faint, or you'll lose clarity in fast markets. Also consider colorblind-friendly options, like blue for up and orange for down, to ensure your eyes catch the move quickly. Next, adjust the borders. The border is the outline around each candle body. Setting the border to match the body color creates a clean, cohesive look, while a slightly darker border can help shapes stand out when candles are small. If your chart is dense, a clear border can make patterns like engulfing candles easier to spot. Finally, set the wick colors. Wicks, sometimes called shadows, extend above and below the body to show the high and low of the session. Matching wick colors to bullish and bearish bodies helps you see direction at a glance, while choosing a single neutral color can create a minimalist style that emphasizes bodies over extremes. The key is consistency and contrast so the high to low range remains visible on both light and dark themes. That's it. With just these adjustments, bodies, borders, and wicks, you can transform readability and make your charts work better for you.